Well, hello everyone. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you that this might be the very last few months of CraftyTuts. The I'm thinking that the YouTube channel might still be up just because it's free, and it doesn't cost me anything to leave the tutorials and patterns there, as it has been. But the website has been draining on my savings and for a while now, and it's not super expensive, but it's also not doing any money, and again it's just an expense on myself that I could be using for my family instead, and it's not even serving that many people. It's not that many people are visiting, right? So I have paid 3 months because I paid in chunks of 3 months. That's a little while ago, so it's more like 2 months and a half that are left. So if you have any favorite patterns that are not on YouTube, or even if they are on YouTube, the written patterns are there, you might want to go there and copy them before they come out. I will do one last attempt just because I feel very bad about just leaving and that's it. So I will do one last attempt during this 2 months and a half to put up some content and see how it goes. And if it goes well, then it might not be the end of CraftyTuts. But again, most likely it will. If you've been following me years ago, you may realize that the content that I've been putting out has been very sporadically, sometimes years between patterns and between content. And yeah, it all started because of just taking a break, actually, because my husband is in the military and we had to move and change, permanent change of stations. So I took a break because we had to pack all the things, then move, unpack. That takes a lot of effort. You have to find new dentists for the kids, you have to enroll them in a new school, all those things, right? That comes with moving states. But then I always had a little bit of a depression here and there, but it became major depression disorder, which I couldn't shake it off. I had a long time of just battling with it. Then that also caused an increase in my weight, which completely destroyed my self-esteem. I didn't want to appear in front of the camera. I didn't even want to take pictures of my patterns. So I also, I did not feel, I guess it was a form of self-sabotage, not finishing any patterns, not creating anything, because that meant not having to show it, not having to do in front of the camera things. Again, it always sort of subconsciously, unconsciously, whatever is the right word. But yeah, I did not want to appear on camera. I could have still done tutorials, but I guess it was, I don't know, yeah, the combination of the depression and having to show the things, and then even when I did try, I don't know if it's because I didn't put good enough energy in it. Maybe the content just wasn't that good, that I had very little views, and that helped into spiraling me down even further and not wanting to be in front of the camera. Also in a depression because I felt very, very unsuccessful, very failure-like, and yeah, also a lot of comments that saying that my tutorials weren't good, so that could also explain the low views. By the way, I'm grateful for all of you that actually said kind words to me rather than mean words. Some of you, I realized into retrospection that you were just trying to help me. Some of them saying like, hey, I cannot hear you because of the music. At the time during my deep depression, I took it as a criticism, but now I realize, hey, they just wanted to hear the tutorial. They wanted to hear my voice and know what I was doing because they were there for that reason. But again, not everyone said it nicely. most of them did. It's just like, hey, I cannot hear your voice with that loud of music, and that's just a fact. That's it, right? So, but again, at that time, I took it really, really badly. Some of the comments were nice, other were not at all, showing vomiting faces and other things, which again, deeper into depression. And yeah, I wasn't able to be consistent. I wasn't able to put out more content, and I got also demonetized from YouTube. I lost my network from my blog again because I wasn't putting in content, right? I wasn't serving YouTube or the network, the ad network. And yeah, so because of that, this could be the very last of CraftyTuts. So again, if you have any patterns that you love that are free, go ahead and copy them, because they might not be there in a little while. I will do my best. I still have not completely come out of depression, but I will also feel very, very bad if I did not at least try one more time. And that was also the reason why I never let the site go down. Yes, it went down a couple of times. That was technological issues, not me. I was still paying for hosting and everything. So yeah, I will feel very bad if I did not give it a last try and just give up of it. If I truly tried and put some time into it and then it didn't work, I will feel a little better of, just okay, this is the end. I'm not realize that maybe I'm just not good enough of a designer, or not good enough of a teacher showing the tutorial things and whatnot. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this video right here, and thank you for everyone that supported me throughout the years. Thank you so much.